Hi, my name is Marcus Borman, and I'm here today to introduce two of our newest additions to the compact press tool line, the RIDGID RP240 and RP241 press tools. The RP241 tool's inline design provides greater access to tight spaces on the job. The RP240 tool's pistol grip style provides greater balance and control. The tools are up to 25% smaller and 10% lighter than their predecessors, making them an ideal solution for pressing connections in hard-to-reach places. Including the jaws and battery, each tool only weighs 7.4 pounds. The lightweight, compact, and ergonomic design help to minimize fatigue and maximize productivity on the job. Both tools come equipped with Bluetooth compatibility, allowing them to interface with RIDGID Link, a helpful app that provides data on number of crimps, service history, the tool's last use, and much more. RIDGID compact press tools are the most versatile on the market. Only RIDGID has compact tools and jaws that can press all of the following systems: copper and stainless steel tubing from 1/2 inch to 1.25 inches, black steel and stainless steel pipe in both 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes, and it can press PEX tubing from 3/8 of an inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. You can quickly change between sizes and systems with the same tool by swapping the jaws out and putting a new set into the tool. Both tools are equipped with a barrel that can rotate up to 180 degrees. The tools are also compatible with our compact press rings. With a patented swivel feature, the user can attack the fitting from almost any angle. These tools provide users with all-day power. Both come with our RIDGID 12-volt advanced lithium-ion 2.5 amp-hour battery. Each battery getting more than 140 presses per charge. Both tools have a large LED light at the front of the tool. This helps you make faster connections in low-light, tight spaces. RIDGID compact press tools offer the best service cycle interval in the industry, with 32,000 cycles in between services. All compact jaws are forwards and backwards compatible on all RIDGID compact tools, from our first generation of compact tools to the latest RP240 and RP241. The full RP240 or RP241 kits include either an RP240 or RP241 press tool, 2 batteries, a charger, a full set of RIDGID Compact Series jaws 1/2 inch to 1.25 inches, and a durable carrying case. Both tools are smaller, lighter, and stronger than ever. Pick one up today and feel the future of pressing.